Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. 2020 Toyota Corolla SC comes with a A as in Apple 2 20-hour 60 AH 360 amp battery. This is a cover that we lift off by opening up and pulling away. This is a 10mm socket. The bolts that go on. Loosen up your negative 12 volt. Place to the side, covered up, not touching any metal. Safety precaution. Underneath this cover is a 60 amp and 140 amps fuses. There are 4 bolts. Which one of the bolts will come off? Only this particular 10mm bolt that I have shown you at the very beginning. Loosen this up. Everything will lift up. Protect this from touching anything in the car. Insulate it away from any negative. Place it to the side. Over here, a 1/2 inch bolt on an extension and ratchet. You're going to loosen up. The old school trick is lefty loosey, righty tighty. If you follow my right thumb, that is tightening. If you put my left thumb on, that is loosening. When you loosen this up, you're then able to take the whole battery, put it to the side, put a new battery in, place back the arm that you push down, the 1/2 inch bolt, place back the positive lead, tighten up the 10mm bolt, place back on your negative 12 side, tighten up the 10mm bolt, place the cover back on by simply pressing. Somewhere on the battery, tape marker, write down the install date. That is how you would replace one of these batteries. Very simple and easy to do. Straightforward. Take all your tools that you now have, place them back into your toolkit, and have a great day doing another video at another time.